SNS lab, simple notification service lab. Click on search and type SNS. Click on this. I see there are 0 topics. Let's create topic first of all. Click on this create topic. Click on create topic button. So I can create topic as a FIFO or standard also. Rhinos topic. Topic name will be Rhinos official message to students to join classes. Optionally, I can create encryption. As of now, we're not going to do that. Leave it. We can create access policies also. Like we have basic, advanced policies where we can control the publisher and subscribers. Okay. We can have data protection policies. Let's not touch upon all these things. Click on create topics. Now I have created a topic called Rhinos topic. Okay. Now I don't have any subscribers as of now. If you click here, if you see here, I don't have any subscriptions. So now I have to click on create subscriptions. Protocol, I want to use email service. Let's me open my email ID itself. Let's create gmail.com. Let's create something else. Let's open this email that you have. This email ID called donorhutindia@gmail.com. That's my email ID. Okay. I go back to my subscriptions. I add that email ID as a subscriber. Okay. I click on create subscription. Now immediately it says the ARN of the subscription is ARN whatever, and you have given some numbers. Scroll down. Go back to Rhinos topic. Scroll down. Here you can see pending confirmation, which means I have added that email ID as subscriber, but he has not confirmed it yet. So I go back to my email and click on this. See, I got email now, right? What email I got? I got Rhinos official message to students to join the classes. It says confirm subscription. I click on confirm. Now once I click on confirm, there's a notification says you have successfully subscribed, and that's the ID and all. Now if I go back to my SNS, I refresh this entire page. Before it was what? Pending confirmation, right? If I refresh now, it shows confirmed, which means now he is my official subscriber. Now I want to send a message to him, my email to him. Let's create email. Click on publish message. I want to add subject. Subject is we are starting so let's join AWS classes, network Rhinos, 12,000 fees. Okay, let's leave time to live as optional. Now body say hi students, become a cloud engineer in just 60 days, study AWS today with network Rhinos. Huh? So I click on this and I give my informations also. So here you type Vishnu and I type my number 97901217. If I scroll down, I click on publish message. Now it's going to published. If I go back to my email, check your email. I got email now, right? This is what we get, subscribers and publisher. So this is called your SNS, simple notification service lab. It's very easy to do. Okay, not that hard enough.